What's up guys, IT and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I created my own Instagram filter using Spark AR. So firstly we are going to open Spark AR and this is what the studio looks like. Then I'm going to go on to the face tracker and add a face mesh. Then I'm going to go on to material, and because I want to do a smoothing face, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to name it as smooth. And then I'm going to go on to the shade properties and choose retouching, and I'm going to retouch my skin to about 85%. And then I'm going to go and take another material, but this time I'm going to go and take canvas, and then I'm going to add in a rectangle. Once we have the rectangle, we are going to fix width and fill height. Then it is going to look something like this. And now we are going to add in our material. For this we are going to name it as Kira Kira because we want that sparkly and nice looking filter, so that's what we are going to name it. And then I'm going to go and add in the prerequisites to make the Kira Kira filter. I'm going to link a video down below of who I saw and made this filter. Her video has all the templates as well as she explains you how you can make your own Kira Kira filter. So I'll be linking her video down in the description so you can go and check her out. Now I'm going to go into the canvas and choose the texture extraction, and now we have the texture extraction as well as the patch that we need to make the filter. And now we are going to go on to a material which we named Kira Kira and choose the alpha setting, and from there we are going to choose the file which we are going to upload, which is actually the template. And once we select the template, it is something going to look like this, and it's not completed yet, so we still have to do a few tweaks and then it's going to be done. So we are going to go on to the blend mode and choose add, and then on the same tab we have texture, so we are going to add that. Now we are going to go on to devices and choose on to the create, which is the production patch, and click on the create button. Now we have this 4 tabs in front of us. All we have to do is connect them so that the filter looks smooth and nice. So that's what we are going to do. Now just observe where we are connecting it, because this is like the main thing. If it's not connected properly, it is not going to look good. So here I'm just connecting all of the modules together, and yeah, we just have this. So this is what the whole filter looks like. So now we are going to go on to the filter, and it's almost as similar as the Kira Kira one. What we're going to do is we are going to take that canvas and put it on top of the Kira Kira filter. Then we are going to go and add in the rectangle just like we did in the last one, and we are going to arrange its width and height. And now we are going to go on to material and add it and name it as a filter. Then going on to the choose file option, and we are going to choose the file that we want to choose. Like this is the file where we are going to export our filter. You can take it from Lightroom, or if you have like a Visco filter, and that filter you're going to upload it here so that you get your filter over here. Now we are going to get our face color LUT, and we are going to take our filter and take the texture of that filter, and now we are going to connect them all together so that they kind of goes together. So here I am actually matching them all in, and voila, it's done. So this is how the filter looks like, and actually there are various faces that you can check on. Even you can go in and choose your own front facing camera to check how the filter looks on you. But yeah, this is how you make your filter. It's pretty simple, it's very easy, and it's like a fun process. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys like seeing this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.